stop, pause for a moment. Maybe it wasn't random that you're here right now. Maybe this message found you on a night when pretending finally became heavier than pain itself. Because lately, you haven't really been living, just surviving. Smiling when needed, breaking when alone. And slowly, you started believing no one notices. But that belief isn't true. Even what you never said out loud was never hidden from the one who created you. You've been carrying more than your share, expectations, pressure, unspoken fears. And somewhere along the way, you started thinking you were meant to hold it all alone. But the heart was never created for that kind of weight. That exhaustion you feel is not failure. It is a quiet signal that you were never meant to carry what you are carrying without help. You still think about what didn't work out, the doors that closed, the people who walked away, the plans that collapsed silently. At that moment, it felt like loss. But not everything that leaves is rejection. Sometimes it is protection. You only understand later what felt like breaking was sometimes saving. And one day, you will look back and realize nothing was random. You've been too harsh with yourself, replaying mistakes, counting failures, questioning your worth. But mercy was never reserved for the perfect. Allah does not measure you like people do. People see your past. Allah sees your return. People see your fall. Allah sees every time you tried again. You were never asked to be flawless, only to come back. There are things already unfolding in your life that you cannot yet see. Paths forming, situations quietly shifting, and what feels like delay is often preparation, because nothing with Allah is ever random, not even silence, not even waiting. Some answers come quickly, some come after growth, and some come when your heart is finally ready to receive them. So stop trying to control everything, not because your situation doesn't matter, but because you were never meant to carry it alone. You don't need every answer tonight. You don't need the full road ahead. Just bring your heart back exactly as it is. Tired, uncertain, honest. That is enough. Allah says in the Qur'an, do not lose hope, nor be sad. Let that settle somewhere deep within you. Not control, not certainty, but trust. Because what is written for you cannot miss you, and what Allah takes care of will never break you. If these words reached you when you needed them most, just write in the comments, I needed this today. Sometimes that's enough to remind you you're not alone. Stay blessed, always.